Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC Mall. I need to buy what I need to cook tomorrow. Request ni Madam.
नहीं बास्केट का नहीं कि वो किस टाइम तक दे सकता है मटीरियल डिलीवरी ट्रेन की रिक्वेस्ट करना
Springbrook, Shanghai. We have visitors tomorrow. Office meet of Madam. I'm going to Lolo Supermarket. Welcome to my vlog. See, WTC. You know what? I like this small. You have a nice painting in the wall down the building. And they use wood instead of cement. So many wood. Pero the mall made of wood.